While on our way to visit the second children's home of the day, we stopped at the downtown Kingston Art District. I immediately started dancing because I heard my jab. When you call my name, it's like a little prayer. We linked up with Ion, Jamaica's art specialist at his One Love City Mural. We got to the second home, which was the Maxfield Park Children's Home. That was the manager. I was teaching her how to backflip, and then I had to hide from the kids. I finally showed up, and of course I had to do a flip. Sheldon Blake, the art specialist, was telling me the story of how they made this beautiful wall painting with the help of the kids. I can't imagine how long something like this takes, but I know the kids must have enjoyed being a part of that. Did you know that Maxfield Park is the oldest and largest children's home in Jamaica? I spent the rest of my time there crawling around and flipping for the kids again and giving them some entertainment. They really enjoyed it. Some of them say they watch me. Wish you saw what I saw, but please support the children's homes.